What's up, everyone? Good evening from Riyadh again. Right now I am in Nasiriyah and I'm going to King Fahad Road. Well, to go to my gym, the Fitness Time gym over there at the Olaya View Mall, and it's just actually at the almost at the footsteps of the Kingdom Tower. So let us just drive over there. I have to drink some water. Check out the street view of Nasiriyah. We need to take a ride from here, so let's see if we have space over here. Let me also drink water alongside. Wait a second. Wow, what an unusual driver. Good for us that the traffic light turned green. Hi Changan,
How can I help you?
please reduce the fan speed.
Adjusted to 3.
Hi,
Sorry, this vehicle model does not support this function.
please increase the temperature.
Increase to 23.
Thank you. Well, it won't even say you are welcome. Let me put the car in normal mode or sports mode. I think normal is fine for now. So this is Riyadh. If you live in Riyadh, let me know if these streets look familiar to you. "13 minutes remaining, 6.8 kilometers that we have to do." In the meanwhile, let me tell you that I have another channel, Raw Logs by Talha, where I post the longer vlogs. Then I also have another channel, Talha's POV, where I post like important stuff from my long vlogs. You see, like the actual gist of the experiences, crux. That's what I post over there on that. So in a day I might experience a lot of stuff, so we can only put a certain amount of words, keywords in the titles. So if there are multiple experiences, parts of those go to Talha's POV. So if someone is, let's assume that we have a hotel here, Voco Hotel, It's over there, you see, by the way, it's over there. So if someone wants to check out the reviews for this hotel, I went to this hotel during the day. I have but that was not a major highlight of my day, so I will put the review part of this hotel onto Talha's POV channel. Otherwise, all of that clubbed together along with this drive, it will be in raw logs by Talha. But the drives, these are the ones that are coming on Street View by Talha. I hope you understood the scheme that I have going on over here. So this raw log, it's to document my life, my journey. This POV channel, it's actually to serve others and to share experiences. Actually, editing it all is quite a hassle because I have a full-time job, so I have to take time out for that. But even, you see, it's been a long day. I came from work, I went for shopping with a friend. Now I have to go to gym. I don't want to miss the gym. If I want to edit the videos, I'll have to miss the gym part. But it's already Sunday, so our weekend is past. So the rest that I should have had, I have had already. Right now it's time to put in the work on myself, on my matters. So well, that's pretty much it. On our right we have the King Fahad National Library. I went to the King Abdulaziz Library as well. That's also a very cool, calm spot. This one, there's a lot of rush in the King Fahad Library normally. Actually, I went a few times. I found a lot of people over there, which is actually good if people are coming there to read and, well, to acquire knowledge. Mashallah, that is good. Going to libraries and these literary sort of places, it's good. One time I went to Yambo and I was at a place over there, and it was by the seaside. It was some traditional souk, and they had some shops in there, and one seemed like a place where people gathered for a literary sort of meeting. They had something going on over there. So since I was just visiting and I had just one day over there, I had to go back to Medina the very same night. So, well, being short on time, I couldn't explore that. But so, well, everyone, the battery of the camera just died out. It passed on me, and right now I am at this fitness time gym on the King Fahad Road. You see, from there we have a wonderful view of the Kingdom Tower. I'll show you. Actually, I'll have to go till here to show you the Kingdom Tower. You see, oh goodness, it's green right now. So I'll end the video here and I'll go to the gym, and inshallah we will meet soon.